Greetings viewers, Sensei Paul here to talk to you a little bit about blocks. The classic karate style blocks are the ones that I'd like you to learn in this video. The first is a rising block. Use your hip to drive the arm upwards as you make the block. And it's kind of like an uppercut that turns into the block. Notice that when I make the block, my hand is at an angle so that it can cut in to an incoming punch. Outside block. Now I'm telegraphing the blocks in the beginning to make them strong and just emphasize to you as a viewer how to do the block itself. Inside block comes from the inside of the body, and you've got to use a certain amount of hip movement to execute each block. Finally, this block here is a low block and traditionally is called Gidambarai. So practice all the different blocks. Do at least 100 of each every day until you are proficient at them. I'm Sensei Paul, and I'll see you in the next video.